Hi, my name is Angelica and now I'm going to tell you about unforgettable days in my life. So one day I'm challenging myself to do a solo travel, and I'm going to Bandung. It takes 3 hours from Bekasi and I go to Bandung by a train. It was really fun. I think it's not really that bad to go travel alone. So the name of the train I used to Bandung is Argo Parahyangan. That's so comfy and the price is affordable. When I arrived in Bandung, I sleep in the hotels for 2 days, and the hotel was so good. The view was so beautiful, and I think Bandung will always a space in my heart, cause I don't know why, but Bandung is have so many cute places and a hidden gem. I think I'm going back to Bandung one day. Thank you. That's all from me.